Today?
Hey, that's my line. Hi, YouTube! Today I'm going to be playing the new lab update with my friend. He's dead now. We're going to be having some fun!
Yeah!
We're going to be having some fun. But without further ado, let's go! Alright, let's check out if there's a new map. New map right there. Oh! Alright, next to Prop Town. Alright, let's go to
What
whatever
happened?
constructions.
Let's go.
Oh my
Whoa.
gosh! Dude, this is awesome.
Shuffle?
Dude, it randomizes the music! No way!
One eternity later.
Yo!
Look at how smart this is.
Unknown.
Yeah?
Okay, so I heard that there's a new item in the snow biome, so let's go to Outpost and check it
Go
out.
ahead and buy.
Wait, there's a vote broadcaster! Vote broadcaster! Yo! With the chainsaw!
Yo, wait, let me have.
I need to be in creative mode to turn on the chainsaw? Alright,
Yeah,
go to
we can go
Wilds.
to
Go to
Wilds and
Wilds
test
and we'll
out
check
the
out
new
the vote broadcaster and the chainsaw. Let's
Okay.
check out the
have an
vote
idea.
broadcaster.
Watch.
Okay, and there we go.
Now let's put it into play mode.
Alright, let's test it out. Legs or speed? Legs. Yo!
Yes, it works.
Dude, it worked! Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Right here. Oh, this is cool.
Dude, wait. No way! You can like copy something specific. Dude, this is so cool. Wait. So just put like anything in there. Let's,
7 blocks.
and then
Yes,
like
if I
move
take
it somewhere and then paste it.
Paste.
Oh my gosh, dude, that is so cool.
It is time that we shall combine everything into one build.
One eternity later.
Me and Unknown have created the ultimate contraption. It starts with the vote broadcaster, which adds bigger speed, and then whichever one we pick, then we grab our chainsaws and eat this cheese like we're actual lab rats. Get your chainsaws ready.
Go.
Attack! We have finished! Yes! Ah!
Update good. Like vote broadcaster. Chainsaw. Whenever you like shred the huge block of cheese is like really fun to do. It's not gonna work in wilds though. And the zone copier is very useful. I'll see his opinion.
My opinion on this update is that it's like one of the best. So creative mode is like where I spend most of my time. These blocks will be very helpful. Anyway, have a good day, and also go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed!